This 2024 Keystone Springdale 260BHC is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features a midnight interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, LP detector, external shower, TV antenna, stovetop burner, microwave, self-contained, carbon monoxide detector, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Springdale 260BHC is 5,010 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.